This is the IELTS Speaking mock test, taking place at IELTS Listening Hub. The candidate is Rohan Singh. Candidate number 089453758. The examiner is Ananya. Examiner number 544953. Good afternoon. My name is Ananya. Would you please tell me your full name?
My name is Rohan Singh.
Can I see your identification, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you very much. All right, Rohan. In part 1, I will ask you some personal questions. Let's start with travelling. This is a part 1. How often do you travel by car?
I travel by car almost every week. Mostly short trips in my city, but sometimes long trips with my family.
Do you enjoy long drives?
Yes, I do. I really enjoy long drives because I can listen to music, look outside, and relax.
Do you prefer driving yourself or being a passenger?
Actually, I prefer being a passenger because I can enjoy the view. Driving for long hours is a bit tiring for me.
Now, let's talk about your hometown. Is your hometown a good place for road trips?
Yeah, definitely. There are hills, rivers, and small villages around my hometown. The roads are beautiful and peaceful.
Okay, that's the end of part 1. Now we will move on to part 2. In part 2, I will give you a topic. You will have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for up to 2 minutes. Here is your topic. Describe a long car journey you went on or remember well. Here is paper and a pen for notes. Your preparation time starts now. Okay, you may start speaking.
So, the long car journey I remember very well is my trip to Shimla. I went there recently with my family. We traveled from my hometown, and the distance was about 350 kilometers. It took around 8 or 9 hours to reach there. When we reached Shimla, we visited Mall Road, the Ridge, and the Jakku Temple. The weather was cold and fresh. The mountains were really beautiful. Snow on the top and green valleys below. I went there with my parents, my younger sister, and also our pet dog. It was a very special trip because we laughed a lot and spent good family time together. We chose to go by car because we wanted flexibility. We stopped at small dhabas, tea stalls, and many viewpoints. Traveling by car felt more comfortable than a bus or train. Overall, the journey was amazing. I felt very relaxed and happy. It is still one of my favorite trips.
Thank you. I will take your paper back. Now let's move on to part 3. Follow-up questions. How has modern transportation changed the way people travel?
Modern transportation has changed a lot. We have faster cars, high-speed trains, and planes. Travel is safer and quicker, and people save a lot of time.
What tips would you give someone going on a long car journey?
I think people should check their car before traveling, like fuel, brakes, and tires. They should carry water, snacks, and maybe some tools. Comfortable clothes also help.
What are the advantages of traveling by plane or train?
The plane is the fastest way and also very safe. Trains are comfortable and cheaper, but slower than planes.
How can transportation be improved in the future?
I think transportation should be more affordable. If more people can use fast and safe transport, it will help everyone.
End of test. Okay, that concludes the test. Thank you for your time today. Thank you. I really appreciate it.